Arizona ranks number 9 in the nation as having the most health professional shortage areas. Pima Medical Institute is helping close the gap. KGUN 9's Vanessa Gongora is at the campus taking a look at how the next generation of healthcare professions are trained.
Students at Pima Medical Institute get hands-on learning in the classrooms and labs. I spoke with one student who shares why she wants to get into the medical field and how this institute will help her get there. According to the Arizona Health Workforce, out of 126 primary care health professional shortage areas in the state, 82 are designated medically underserved, and Tucson is one of those. Pima Medical Institute campus director says that's where they come in.
As Tucson has grown so much, and I've been here for several years now, it's an opportunity for us to continue to make sure that that workforce has plenty of people going into those jobs when they become vacant or as their growth jobs as well.
3, 4, 5 for 10. 5 for 10.
Pima Medical is holding an open house this week for community members and potential students to step into the classrooms to see what type of programs are offered and how the next generation of healthcare professionals are trained. One of those programs is sonography.
It's critically important. Sonographers are usually one of the first healthcare professionals to come in contact with the patient. So once they come in through the ER, they tend to send ER patients straight to imaging to try to find out what's wrong with the patient.
The ultrasound program director walks me through what is happening.
Hannah is looking at the patient's thyroid right now and scanning through it. This is an exam that we require our students to know how to do.
Azanette Amaya has been a medical assistant student since February and says she's enjoying her time at Pima Medical.
I've always known I wanted to be in the healthcare, and I feel like being an MA kind of gets your foot in the door. So maybe one day if I want to become something different, you know, at least I kind of have the experience right now.
The Pima Medical Institute offers 13 different programs, including surgical technology and phlebotomy. The last day of open house is Friday from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Reporting in Midtown from the Pima Medical Institute.